Attention everyone, I'm back with another video game recommendation for a video game to get remastered. There was this video game called Cartoon Network Punch Time Explosion XL. In this video game, you learn that an unknown evil is attacking the Cartoon Network worlds, and it's up to the Cartoon Network characters to stop this unknown evil from destroying their worlds. And the ones that are in this game are Codename Kids Next Door, Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends, the Powerpuff Girls, Samurai Jack, Ben 10, Alien Force, and Samurai Jack's World. Only in this video game, all the villains have teamed up with this unknown evil. The ones from Codename Kids Next Door, the Powerpuff... Oh, and don't forget the Misadventures of Flapjack is in this game too. And the Grim Adventures of Billy and Mandy. It's up to them to stop this unknown evil from attacking. In this video game, you have to go through a series of levels and bosses. And once you do, you'll be able to rescue all the characters that have been possessed, have been brainwashed by the unknown evil, causing a lot of trouble. And Dexter's Laboratory is in this game also. This video game is a real classic, and I believe it deserves a remake. I recommend you talk to people about it in person, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, Reddit, Skype, TikTok, and video chat with people about it. Oh, before I go, there is something else I want to tell you. If this game was ever to get remastered, they should make it so to be added that this game should have the other show with all Cartoon Network shows, both old and new. Bye for now, until next time I think of another video game recommendation for a video game to get remastered. Please remember to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel and share my videos on social media.